Okay, now I'd like to go on our series of Vulnhub. The box would be here, KB-VULN2. And I also will put the link into the description section so you can download the image. To save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox. And the IP address has been identified as 222, just displayed over here. And the tool I'm using is Net Discover. And I also have already completed the Nmap scanning, and I do the comprehensive scanning by specifying this parameter. So from this Nmap scanning result, we can know the target has 3 open ports. The first one is 21, but it doesn't allow anonymous login. And the second one is SSH service. Of course, this version doesn't have any vulnerabilities we can exploit. And the last one is 80 for HTTP. Sorry, not just 3 open ports. Also, there are 2 open ports for the Samba. So I think what I can do is to do some enumeration for the Samba service. And let's use Samba. SMB client 2. Specify the Kali Linux password. And as you can see, we got the one share name, which is anonymous. And we can access this share by SMB client, specify the target IP address, and the directory or the share name. Sorry, not directory. This is a share name. And specify the Kali password. And we can call it, there is one file which is backup. And we can download this file into our Kali Linux. And let's quit. And we can unzip this file. Okay, this I think we got one file and one directory, which is WordPress. But we can first cat the content of the remember me file. Cat remember me. So I think this should be the credentials for some sort of applications. In this case is WordPress administrator's credentials. So I think we can open up our browser and go to the specify the address of a target. And this is a default page, but I think from the direct name, maybe we do not need to make directory enumeration or scanning. We can try if we can visit this directory. As you can see, it's loading up this directory, and also has done some querying for the third party. I think this for the JavaScript code, and we wait for this to be loaded up. And also you can see the browser is looking up the one local host, the KB-VULN. So we need to edit or put the host name into our host file. Okay, let's do it. Let's sudo, and we can put the IP address of the target, and the host name is kb.vuln, and let's write and quit. I think it's good. I think we can refresh the page. Yeah, now just title saying this is just another WordPress site. So I think because we have already got the credentials, right, admin, and we can copy the password, and to see if we can visit the administrator portal, admin, and the password, and login. Yeah, this credential or password is correct. And now, naturally, the next thing we need to do, we may do, is to get the shell from the target. And the Metasploit framework or tool has a very good module which can help us to achieve this goal or objective. Okay, let's launch the Metasploit. And use the WordPress admin module. Okay, the Metasploit is starting up. Okay, no problem. And we can search the module name. Yeah, just this one. And we can use this module. This module will upload the web shell. And we can use the default payload, no problem. Show option. Okay, we need to change the localhost IP address as our Kali Linux IP address. I'd like to use another local port, 5555. And also we need to set username as admin and set the password as, I think we need to paste the password again. Copy and paste in here. And also we need to set the target URL is WordPress. And also we need to remote host's IP address is okay. I think we have really configured every required items. Okay, I hope so. Let's run. Yeah, immediately we got the Metasploit session, and we can go to the shell ID, yeah, www data, and we can make this shell interactive. Can by run Python pty spawn method. Okay, we got the normal shell, and we can go to the home directory, go to the KB admin, and we got the user, and also there is one note file, use Docker, but we do not have any Docker privilege. And I'd like to tell you, I tried several ways to try to escalate our privilege. For example, like I use the suggester, the local exploit suggester, but this module doesn't get any usable exploits module, and we can use. And also I go to like go to the home, the www directory, and go to the HTML directory, and also here another file, but this doesn't help us very much. Yeah, administrator is KB admin. Good luck. So maybe because the WordPress now we use the administrator's username is admin, and also here says system administrator is KB admin. So maybe the password, maybe the two usernames use the same password, or how to say, used by the same guy. Excuse me. And we can try that. Sudo KB admin, and use the same password just we used before. Yeah, this one. Yeah, maybe we can open up another tab and go to our working directory. Cat remember. Yeah, we can use this password for the KB admin. Oh, sorry. Paste the password here. Now we have already successfully switched our shell to the KB admin. And also we can try if this user KB admin can run the sudo and paste the password again. Yeah, the KB admin can run any command with root privilege. So it means that we can very easily elevate our privilege, like sudo. Yeah, we go to the root directory and we got the final flag, which is the root flag. So that's it. Although there's some rabbit holes during my presentation test at the first time, but if we can bypass such rabbit hole, this box is not so much hard. So I'd like to conclude the video. I hope you can get a bit value or benefit from it. And if it did, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.